Okay, let's talk about hiring employees. Employees make up the engine that can make your business grow faster and stronger. It's about having the right people doing the right things at the right time. That makes hiring both a risk and an opportunity. When you start a window film business, well, you have to wear a lot of hats. And over time, it's good to pass those hats to others if you ever hope to grow to a thriving business. Hiring and delegating authority to others takes trust. You want to feel comfortable with whom you're sharing responsibility, because how an employee handles his or her responsibilities ultimately reflects on you and your business. You want to make the transition as seamless and productive as possible. So let's say you're ready to do some hiring. Here are some tips to get you started. This starts with a well-written job description. Job posting site Indeed.com has several excellent suggestions to include in the job description. Job title. Be specific. Avoid internal lingo, instead using standard experience levels like senior to describe the position. Use a strong, attention-grabbing summary to provide an overview and expectations for the position. Provide an exact job location. Outline the core responsibilities of the position. Highlight the day-to-day activities. Tell whom the position reports to and how the position fits into the organization. Include hard and soft skills. Hard meaning previous job experience, certifications, and technical skills. Soft meaning communication and problem-solving ability, as well as personality traits. Keep your list concise. Don't go overboard listing out every possible qualification and skill you think the job entails. Consider networking through your customers, employees, or friends. For jobs requiring specialized skills, consider an online job search engine like Monster or Indeed. A local employment agency may help, but be aware they'll likely charge fees. Prepare yourself for the interview process. Google articles about interviewing techniques. You want a good sense of how the person will fit into your team and your company's needs, as well as evaluate their ability to follow directions or guidelines associated with the job. The tendency will be to focus on an applicant's skill set, but keep in mind, you'll be spending a lot of time with this person, perhaps every day. You need to want to spend time with the people who are on your team, especially if you want to successfully grow your business. No matter how well the person interviews, always check the candidate's references. You'll be checking to make sure the interviewee is honest in their resume and has been honest during the interview process. For more information about hiring the right way, we invite you to download the content that accompanies this video.